You cannot project properly and safely without correct control over your breath.
Of course. I think if our listeners are anything like me, even just this little conversation now, you're probably finding yourself breathing a little more deeply because you're thinking about it. So it's having a bit more conscious awareness around it does make a difference. But can we perhaps train ourselves to a point where it does become more instinctive and natural to breathe more deeply and to be breathing properly more or all of the time, do you think?
Yeah, absolutely. The first thing is to be aware. The first thing is to be aware of how you're breathing and how you can improve your breath. I think it's also just a learning curve as well, because we generally don't realize that we can use a lot more breath. We can control that breath for a lot longer time. There's some recent research to say that elongating the phrases as we speak, so really opening up the vowel sounds and the vowel quality, will reduce anxiety. There's a direct connection between the vagus nerve, the larynx, the abdomen, and that control as we speak and elongate those phrases.